In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block an email address in Outlook. If you're getting unwanted messages and you want them out of your inbox for good, this quick walkthrough will show you the simplest way to block that sender, so future emails are automatically filtered out. First, open Outlook on the web and head to your mailbox dashboard. You should be looking at your list of emails, like your inbox or any folder where the unwanted message landed. Take a moment to locate an email from the sender you no longer want to hear from. It helps to click the message once so it's clearly selected, but don't open any suspicious links or attachments inside it. Next, bring up the message options. The fastest way to do this is to right-click directly on the email in the list, or right-click the sender's name if that's easier to target. If you're on a device where right-clicking isn't straightforward, look for the three-dot menu on the message preview or in the toolbar above the reading pane. This menu opens the same set of actions you need. From the options that appear, choose Block. Outlook will ask you to confirm that you want to block this address. Go ahead and confirm when you're sure. After you do, Outlook adds that email address to your blocked senders list and will automatically send future messages from that address to your junk folder, or handle them according to your account's junk email settings. In many cases, the selected message is moved out of your inbox right away, helping clean things up instantly. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Blocking is best for persistent, unwanted senders who keep emailing you from the same address. If it's a newsletter or a legitimate service you signed up for, using their unsubscribe link is often cleaner and helps reduce clutter without risking important messages being filtered. Also, be cautious not to block contacts you still need. If you ever block someone by mistake, you can revisit your Outlook junk email settings later to review and adjust your blocked list. Finally, remember that some spam comes from constantly changing addresses. Blocking one address won't catch every variation, but it will stop messages from that exact sender. If you keep seeing similar spam, use Outlook's built-in junk or report features to help improve filtering. That's it. You've learned the quickest way to block an email address in Outlook, keeping your inbox focused on what matters.